Friends, today I am going to show that how to log out from Facebook of every devices. Friends, to log out Facebook from all the devices, first you have to go on a Facebook account, my friends. After that, you have to click on triple straight line at the top right corner. Click on here, my friends. Then you have to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Then click on settings. After that, you have to click on see more in account center. Then, my friends, you have to click on password and security. Then you have to click on why you are logged in on security check. Now, my friends, see, here is 6 devices and here is 3 more devices you are logged in, right? Just click on here. Then you have to click on select devices. Then you have to click on select all, my friends, from here and see all are selected, right? Now, my friends, simply you have to click on log out your Facebook from these devices. So friends, like this, if one, you can log out Facebook from all the devices. Friends, if this video helpful to, please like, share, comment and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.